Once me I defend myself and my property,
So,
that different.
so if she fling a big stone and bust it, they fling back a big stone and bust her head.
Yeah, man, I defend myself.
Ah!
The leverage. Now the leverage, yeah. Now the leverage. Now the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage, yeah. Yeah. Welcome back, people. Welcome back, Leverage Nation. Welcome if you're new to the channel. Always remember to subscribe. This is Leverage Boss TV. I am Eclips, aka Leverage Boss, and Leverage Boss TV is where you get vlogs, reviews, and chat. And today's episode we have a episode called carchat. Yeah. So today, you know the thing go. We're gonna call people in my contacts, yeah, and have some discussions on random topics. And today we're gonna have a topic. Maybe I call somebody and ask them what it takes to be a real man, or what it takes to be a really hard man, and what, you know, and different intervals of that topics. Well, let's see how it goes, you know. So today I'm gonna see if I get JC the Truth. Yeah, that's his name on Instagram. Good friend them. So we're just gonna have a normal conversation and stuff. Let's see if we get him right now. The phone right here. Alright. Nah, answer.
Whoa.
JC the
Wagwan.
Truth. Wagwan.
Yeah, come by me Instagram, brother.
Well, you don't know, today we have you don't know, say a Leverage Boss TV. More I make some call and thing for the channel and to see,
Mad.
yeah, we want to talk about some random topics. So me have a special edition for the channel. Like I call some random people I know, just talk about some topic and see what's their take on it. Yeah, so today we want to talk about like Jamaican man, what it takes to be a real man, especially a Jamaican man. So yeah, so I want to hear your take on what. First of all, you have time for talk?
Yeah, man, there saw Bill, man. There saw I go and watch a little Asian match between Qatar and race. So I don't know.
Okay. Data leverage. So yeah, I say now I want to talk about what it takes to be a real man in this modern day society as a Jamaican and overall a man. So the people
Never time limit when I work with.
I mean, we're gonna make it short and spicy, you know, but I mean, you know, we see like maybe we see where it takes us. You know, it could be 5, 10, 15 minutes, but we see where it takes us. We're not really prolong it too long, but we just want to get a quick car chat with you and then hear what's your take on it. You know, so what it takes to be a man for you?
To me, to be a man as a Jamaican, Zine, I feel like it's not just a black or white answer.
Okay.
Per se. It have a whole heap of components or a whole heap of little different aspects of it for make you a man, Zine. Because in Jamaica we're very cultural and we're very religious. enough people might not realize it, but we are. Just like we burn certain, well, you're definitely a program, so I'm not going to say certain things. We burn certain things and we live by certain laws way. Them are laws of life, but we as Jamaicans kind of make them written. We make them written as law, isn't it? I say? So, like, for example, now, the typical Jamaican man, I use the word typical a lot. The typical Jamaican man now talk to him bridging them, him peers, or even anybody at all about certain things. Him probably just deal it by himself because as a man we're egotistical. And that to me are the first sign of where you have to get over. To be a man, you have to be able to express yourself, one, for not only for affirmation or for like, you know, like when you try fit in, not only for try fit in, but you have to like, you go through a situation and you feel a way about it. You're supposed to can say, yo, John, bro, you know, say, for example, you know, say, I call my wife and she answer, bro, and realize it's a little pattern. You're supposed to can ask somebody about it. Instead of you just go home and kick the girl in her face and, hey, girl, look how long I'm going to call you and because that's the way, you know, is expected of you. You see me I say? So you have to can communicate and seek help in whatever situations you go through. And I know even when you need help, even when you go through good things, you're supposed to link a man and link. Not even a virgin, you're supposed to link your mother. You know, a lot of Jamaican men take pride in the relationship with their mother. That's why suck your mother is a very serious thing to tell a man because a man and his mother. You see me I say? So if you can't reason with your mother, that makes no sense. Number two, or number few, why for that? Yeah. Number few, me that say, choose your peers and choose your peers wisely because your peers have a lot to do with you as a man because there's a very popular saying say your environment will make you who you are. You see me I say? So if you, no matter which part you come from, uptown, ghetto, no matter where you come from, if you're a power and a set of man, the mentality where them set of man they have become a part of you. Whether you like it or not, that will slowly become a part of you. You see me I say? So you have to choose your peers wisely. You see me I say? So if you're example, you're in a grass and a bee ant you reason with. When a bird are reason with you, we are flying and look over certain things and I see the bigger world. You can't relate to what you must say because you're deep on the grass in the dirt. You see me I say? Use a simple analogy like that. You see me I say? So if a bag of man are reason about, yo, if you have 10 girls, whether you agree with it or not, you feel like having 10 girls is right and you don't know why you do it and then, yeah, me a girl is and yo, straight jeans and fitted and yo, money pull up and what the reason for everything what you do. You know why you do it, you just do it because of bag of man.
And because society, make it, Jamaican society make it do that. The whole music industry from the music, they must say from Beanie Man days when they must say, yo man, feel have enough girl and get all of the things.
You see me I say? So that have a next thing to do with it now because we're very cultural as we say now. So you see how that start from here. I want little youth, yeah, listen that. So you grow up, you believe, say, yo, and that must do as a man, but you, the more you grow, the more you realize, say, yo, them thing you me run down, wait for. Because I'm there in a party, to what girl pass. All you know, say, you have different quality of girl. You have girl where you just have to buy a buckle, or buy them a 3 piece of KFC and you can't get them. But is that the type of girl where you really want in your life? Because they might get with long fingernail and long eyelash. Can they need a flour to make a fried dumpling with ackee in the morning? But you know, you take up a girl that can't do none of them things there. Then when she can't do it, you beat her and a cuss her as if you expect her to could do that. Then you have to tell yourself, say, you're a real man. So for me, that is the answer towards a real man. Once you're a lick woman, you can't be a man, you're a mannequin. Straight that.
Once you're a lick woman, so in a thing say that is a Caribbean thing, a system thing like would they say so if lick woman and him something there. Like if what the best thing it has thing if all a woman this and worse, so the way that do just this her back or just put either put your hand on her or either just so
no, I'm not put my hand on no woman.
Suppose she fling a big stone off her and bust head.
No, that I defend myself. Once me I defend myself and my property,
So,
that's different.
so if she fling a big stone and bust head, they fling back a big stone and bust her head.
Yeah man, me I defend myself.
Ah!
Because if you fling a big stone there, you fling a big stone and bust my head, wouldn't know what happened to me in the hospital me gone around.
But them
So,
people are gonna look on
whether
it
it's a woman or a man,
and people are look on it
once
and
you come
say,
to defending my life and my property, no gender not coming at that.
no, but some people are gonna say, well on, I will just one big stone. I just one big stone
No,
in there. You could have just walk it out or go all up on the car. Your man, you're the alpha, you're supposed to just block her off and make sure she sit down one place or something.
Make be real to myself now. Me as a man, me work hard. I work on site. I fling cement and ray. I work hard for my things. Start a little business. The business I go through sleepless night, sleepless day. Buy myself a nice car. Have myself a nice little house. And me and girl now have a disagreement and me and girl left. I'm going to move on with my life. Have myself a nice little BMW now. Because girl can't agree with my decision. She take big stone and mash up my windscreen. No, brother. I'm going to call Jamaican police and say, yo, that girl there mash up my car. The man, I'm going to tell me, say, wait till I don't game I done. So I have to defend my property in the moment at that time. So, as I say, if you're a lit girl, I don't agree with that, but once you defend yourself and your property, that's a different ballgame. Now. You may defend myself against an animal, brother, that basically come like say, if I look at Pitney have one gun, I point it at me, even though me know say look at Pitney know better. I still have to defend myself, brother. So I'm going to look down and look at Pitney and neutralize the threat. So I know say, I'm good. But different from that, if me a beat a woman, that me not support. If a woman attack and rake, a lot of these Jamaican women, they're very clever, you know. They know for manipulate the situation. They know for set things, to get a man off of game, for force a man to lick them, you know. So two of the most popular things where a girl can say, yo, you're a waste man, you're a party man, ray. Them. Most of them not call a man that. Or, even though a man not do it, because you don't know what culture is, a man not ray. So even though them know say a man not do it, say boy ray. Because them know say Jamaican people are going to believe all if it not goes up. Jamaican people are going to believe.
Remember say we are a leverage boss TV, so we want to keep it as clean as possible. So you don't know say you can pick other choices.
Okay, my bad.
Yeah.
My bad. We word it the next way, but the point I want to say is Jamaican women know to manipulate the man them, and it is so sad because the woman them can jail the man them so easy, brother. To force the man them hand. You see what I say? But you as a man have to know say once the woman not threaten your life and she not destroy your property, like a next good situation. If you give a girl your money, and by the time you go and dance with her, the girl will buy one man liquor with your money with you. You can't let no girl for that. You want fool to give the girl your money. In that situation that the girl violated, yes, but she not threaten your life and she not threaten your property. You willingly gave her your money. Even if you trick you and get it, you fall for the trick. So now you have to be wise enough. So don't make that happen to you again. You are going to lick down girl in a party for real. That you always want to that, brother. Vibes culture where I say, I baby strength them off. I just strength alone them.
Alright, so
5 months, brother, you know, put your hand for home.
Alright, so we are reach at closing because I want to make it short and spicy. But we have one more question about the situation. Suppose,
okay.
So, alright, we are reach man and woman thing. So suppose you have a woman in an argument and then she goes to now I try fight you and the right thing if you be a man you go to you do everything you block her or whatever she try use her hand them and try hit you and then you can't control so you go to now and you go to call Popo for your situation and then you hear the woman say oh if imagine if you not do nothing she'll keep on it but if you not litter or abuse her in any way or anything you just call the so-called right way and call you call it the Popo them and thing and when you're done now she'll say oh yeah the B word because you have to call this and that and this and that. What you think about that the situation and if a man goes and call the authorities for your woman?
If you want to go the right way and call the authorities, fine because him probably no want to put him on her which that's the right way to go. But me not call an authority, brother. Me I walk away from the situation. I mean the advise a next man to just walk away from the situation. So even though I go a year place, a year pay feet, as the man, this make you a man, walk away from the situation. Leave the house for the night, come back the next day, because sometimes when people angry, them say things to them not mean, and you see me. So you just walk away and call like that. You see me?
Okay, you say walk away.
Call police. You should probably lose ratings off here for that, isn't it? That's a joking.
So in conclusion,
because look at it now. You call police, because the police do come. And I she really wrong. Police lock up your woman now. And you have to go bail her out back. And then you have to go to their court with her a pay a court fine and rate. You see me? So and as a real man, you call police to lock up your woman. That's a joke thing, brother.
But alright, because that means a man for just stay tough in all circumstances and avoid situation and all of that. So in conclusion,
avoid the situation, exactly. And I just say go back to the first point I make. After a situation like that happen now, you're supposed to have somebody in your corner where you can get some therapeutic advice. You can say, yo, Jano, bro, you know, say, one text coming from the phone one night, and Keisha start make up a bag of knives, a fling everything off of my brother. I say, yo, ease yourself, you know. Ease yourself, because I start fling back things, you're not gonna like it. But just left the yard.
Okay.
You see me, I say? And if that person, they really check for you in your corner, they will give you advice that really makes sense. But we as Jamaica, man, we not do that. We not seek advice. We just deal with it how we want to deal with it. And then whatever decision comes from it, we just work with it, which we don't like that.
Okay, so alright, that is it. So we're gonna wrap up now. So, in other words, give me three words will describe a real man.
Being a man?
No, for be a real man or
Being a real man.
Yeah, being a real man. Not leave words, three quotes, I must say. Or
three quotes. Be a leader and protector to your woman or family. That one. So, you know, with being a leader and protector, that come with everything. That means provide, that means defend them, that means be there for them emotionally, physically, spiritually. That's what that means. Number few, you say resort from physical confrontation with a female at all times. I say number three, always try to instill chastity in your female and your family. Chastity, if you don't want to research everything, you can research that. Chastity is just a level of instilling discipline and a level of pride. Make them be. Make your daughter, when she do something, she think about, you know, that is not a proud if you do this, you know. If she there on the internet a skin out her thing and really she say, no, my father says me now. It's going to make a woman feel, say, yo, you know, my father come from work. I mean, at least make sure that the house clean. That's a way a level of chastity mean. You see me, I say, some level of decency about your thing. A man's supposed to instill that in your family and your woman.
Okay.
So if you as a man, you come home and your woman and know, say, she will make sure that the house clean or food, that if you're hungry, or make sure that the pick them alright, you feel as a man right there.
Okay. Well, there we have it. With JC The Truth, Leverage Nation.
Yeah, man, I'm Instagram that, man. Follow me on the gram.
Yeah.
JC_truth. Right there, so.
Okay, and we have put it on the screen, I couldn't say. So that is it, Leverage Nation. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And you know,
that's a leverage.
Data leverage. You see me? Until next time with carchat, leverage boss, aka Eclips. You don't know a thing go. We're out until next time.